what would be if you were going to pass on to your kids, because that's what I've been asking a lot of people, if you couldn't pass on any money, but you could pass on some principles, you could pass on a portfolio of management, what would you pass on to your kids and or your grandkids, and probably in your case? What would be the formula at this stage that you'd be passing on to them?
Well, I mean, I would say begin with where your assets are invested, allocate them in accordance with your risk tolerance and your objectives. Mm-hmm. Number 2 would be diversify, and be sure and diversify through index funds, because at low-cost index funds, there are a lot of high-cost ones out there. We shouldn't forget that.
Right.
And don't trade. Don't do something, just stand there.
That's great. Don't do something, just stand there. That's awesome.
And no matter what, and you'll be able to resist that temptation much better if you have a little bit more, maybe an asset allocation to bonds than you think you should.